Hello everybody. Today I wish all of you happy Kati Bihu. Today we are going to discuss some general knowledge on Kati Bihu. Then let's start question answers. Here first question is Bihu is a festival based on which of the following? Option A, agriculture. Option B, horticulture. Option C, sericulture. Option D, viticulture. Here answer is agriculture. Then next question. Kati Bihu is a festival of which of the following? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Andaman. Option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Option D, Assam. Here answer is Assam. Then next question. When Kati Bihu is celebrated as per Assamese calendar? Option A, first day of Kati. Option B, second day of Kati. Option C, first day of Ahin. Option D, last day of Ahin. Here answer is last day of Ahin. Then next question. What is the another name of Kati Bihu? Option A, Rongali Bihu. Option B, Bhogali Bihu. Option C, Kongali Bihu. Option D, Goru Bihu. Here answer is Kongali Bihu. Then next question. How many types of Bihu? Option A, 2 types. Option B, 3 types. Option C, 4 types. Option D, 5 types. Here answer is 3 types. Then next question. Special place for tulsi plant is known as which of the following? Option A, tulsi garden. Option B, tulsi veti. Option C, tulsi land. Option D, none of the above. Here answer is tulsi veti. Then next question. Special light related to Kati Bihu is known as which of the following? Option A, Akash Bonti. Option B, Bonti. Option C, Pradeep. Option D, all above. Here answer is Akash Bonti. Then next question. In which season Kati Bihu is celebrated? Option A, spring. Option B, summer. Option C, winter. Option D, autumn. Here answer is autumn. Then next question. In Kati Bihu, Assamese people pray for which of the following? Option A, plants. Option B, crops. Option C, plants and crops. Option D, animals. Here answer is plants and crops. Then next question. Which tree is worshipped on Kati Bihu? Option A, tulip. Option B, tulsi. Option C, turmeric. Option D, tecoma. Here answer is tulsi. Thank you for watching. See you again.